Welcome and thank you for visiting ABC Jesus Loves Me. My name is Heidi, and I am blessed to be able to provide this website for families and groups around the world. Before you is a website containing curricula for toddler, preschool, pre-K, and elementary-aged children at home, church, or in other settings. ABC Jesus Loves Me is committed to helping adults be intentional with the children in their lives and to build in children a solid foundation in academics, Bible learning, development, and self-care. We do this through the following products: Bible curriculum, comprehensive curriculum, which is the 1 through 5-year curricula, unit studies and materials, and the Be Intentional planners. Instead of rigid learning controlling a child's day, this website includes thousands of lesson plans, printables, and supportive ideas to guide the child's learning through exploration and play. We welcome all churches, daycares, preschools, and other for-profit and nonprofit businesses to use the ABC Jesus Loves Me ideas after a license has been purchased. In this video, I'm going to provide a brief tour to help you navigate and tap into all the resources that we have available. Let's get started. Along the top is the navigation menu: Home, Curricula, Order, Supplemental Ideas, Connect, About, and Contact. These tabs are the highways to the curricula, printables, and ideas to help you be intentional with the children in your life. On the home page, you can view this tutorial video, connect with others, see popular blog posts, and sign up for the weekly ABC Jesus Loves Me newsletter. At the bottom are the frequently asked questions, pricing table, and return policy. The terms and conditions is the section that nobody reads, but the legal jargon is important. In addition, by entering this website, you are agreeing to the terms, so you might want to take a moment to check them out. Now that you are familiar with the home page, let's look closer at the navigation menu. By hovering over the curricula link, a drop-down box appears. Here you will have the option to learn more about the products that we offer. The Bible curriculum is the newest addition to the website. Here you can learn more about the 52-week curricula created for Sunday school, preschool, and home use. Each lesson plan includes a Bible script to tell the story to a small or large group of children, age-appropriate activities, songs, a memory verse, craft ideas, and snack options to further the learning. At the core of the ABC Jesus Loves Me curriculum is the comprehensive, research-based toddler and preschool curriculum for ages 1 through 5 that focuses on academics, development, self-care, and the Bible. The 5 36-week curricula incorporate learning into the toddlers and preschool's day instead of controlling it, allowing the child to explore, play, and learn new things. Since the 5 curricula are based on the same format, I will use the 3-year curriculum as my example. Here you can view details about the curriculum, read helpful information, and discover the objectives that will be introduced. Also learn about the printed books and digital download options, and for immediate family use, the drop-down box allows you to view the online lesson plans. Let's skip over the ordering link for a moment and look at the supplemental ideas. If the curricula link contains the meat of the website, the supplemental ideas are the mashed potatoes and gravy. Think of these pages as a file cabinet filled with helpful tips and additional ideas, including worksheets, ideas not shared in the lesson plans, Bible stories, crafts, and teaching tips. There are 2 ways to view the thousands of supplemental ideas. First, filter by category. Second, search by using a key term. Also provided under the Supplemental Ideas tabs are links to the ABC Jesus Loves Me YouTube channel. Here you will see taped live broadcasts created to give you practical tips in parenting, teaching, and in using ABC Jesus Loves Me. I highly encourage you to take time to watch several of these videos. What started as a curriculum to teach my own children has now grown into a website used around the world. If you are a parent or grandparent desiring to use ABC Jesus Loves Me ideas with your immediate family, we offer online for free some basic materials. But if you desire to get the most out of your experience, printed materials and digital downloads are available to order. Please remember that all teachers and childcare providers who desire to use any of the ABC Jesus Loves Me online or printed ideas are required to first purchase renewable licenses. For either group, the ordering link will help you acquire the item that you desire to be intentional with the children in your care. Hovering over the Order tab, you will see three options: Materials and Licenses, Be Intentional Planner, and Conference Registration. Materials and licenses allow you to order products and licenses for the Bible curriculum, 1 through 5 year curricula, unit studies, and materials. Click on the Be Intentional Planner to order a yearly planner. The conference link provides information and registration for upcoming ABC Jesus Loves Me parent and teacher conferences. Let's imagine that I have a 2-year-old daughter and 4-year-old son whom I will be teaching in my home. I also want to order the Bible curriculum for my preschool Sunday school class. I will begin by ordering the 2-year curriculum. Order, Materials and Licenses, Comprehensive Curriculum, and the 2-year curriculum. Since she is my daughter and I will not be including other children in the learning, I will click In a Home with Only My Child. I desire to purchase the 2-year lesson plans, workbook, and Bible coloring workbooks. So, to save money, I will choose the 2-year curriculum bundle. This will also include 2 extra digital downloads for free. This will provide me with all the lesson plans and worksheets needed to be intentional with my 2-year-old. Next, I will order additional products for my 4-year-old. Comprehensive curriculum, 4-year curriculum, again, in a home with only my children. I would like to purchase the 4-year lesson plans, 4-year workbook, Bible coloring, and visual perception, so once again I will order the curriculum bundle to save money and receive 2 extra digital downloads for free. Now I will order the Bible curriculum for my Sunday school class. Order, Materials and Licenses, Bible curriculum. Scrolling down, I will find the option to use in a church or Sunday school. Continue. Because I will be ordering licenses, which will need to be renewed within 365 days, I will need to create a login. Once I have created a login, the program will ask me how many children will be using the license. I will be team teaching 9 children. I will add the license as well as an extra book for my team teacher. To empower the parents of our children to further biblical learning at home, I will also add the digital download Old Testament verse cards, which will be used as take-home sheets. And last, I want to help myself be intentional with my own children as well as the children that I teach in Sunday school. Thus, I will be adding the Be Intentional Planner to my cart. Scrolling back up, I can click on the cart and then check out. Once an order is completed, you can download the digital printables which were ordered. An email with the links will also be sent, but understand that sometimes these emails do not go through depending upon your security settings, so I advise you to download immediately if possible. If licenses were purchased, please print the license agreement and be sure to read and share with all users so that the terms are correctly followed. One of the greatest points of using ABC Jesus Loves Me is that you will not travel the road alone. We have several different ways to get you connected with others using the curricula. I especially encourage you to join the active ABC Jesus Loves Me Facebook group where you can ask questions, share ideas, and be encouraged in your journey. And don't gloss over our sister blog, Our Out of Sync Life. Here you will read ideas to help you grow in your Christian walk while raising godly children. and incorporate the ABC Jesus Loves Me curriculum into your life. By subscribing to our blog, you will have free access to our ebook, unit studies, and other printables. In the next 2 links, you can find out more information about this site, find out more about hosting an ABC Jesus Loves Me Parent and Teacher Conference, or contact me with questions. And don't forget to follow us on several social media sites. That's a lot of information that we've covered, but I hope it makes the website easier to navigate. The ABC Jesus Loves Me website is a guide to help you be intentional with the children in your life. Not a regimented list, but ideas to assist you in incorporating the learning into activities and play that your child is already doing. Remember, have fun, because even though the days can be long, the years are very short. If you like what you see, would you please encourage me by sharing our website with your family and friends? Share buttons are provided on every page to do this. God is doing amazing things through this website. I am thrilled to be able to partner with you as you teach the little blessings around you.